We're here at the South by Southwest premiere for Chili Finger. You guys, we're going to chat with producers, directors, and stars of this film, so let's get to talking. Obviously, this film is based off of a finger allegedly being found in some chili. What's something that you would hope to find in your chili that's like super random?
Super random. I mean, a diamond, I guess.
That's exactly what Madeline said.
Is it? Yeah. Wait, we're so trashy. We're gold diggers.
Okay.
I guess a diamond,
A diamond, yeah. No, I love it. Okay, and then if you were to make your dream chili bowl, what all would be in it?
Cheese.
Yeah.
Couscous.
Ooh.
I would always put like the chili on the couscous.
Yes.
Like it was like bolognese, but not.
Okay.
And the couscous is the pasta.
Yeah.
I think that's it.
I've never done that before, and I'm going to have to try that.
recommend.
Chili and couscous. Okay,
Yeah.
wow. Okay, and then final question. What was it like getting to work with this cast on this film?
The best.
Yeah.
They're the best. Judith is an icon. She's such a joy to work with. And I got to work with Brian a lot, and he's hilarious and was just so much fun to work with.
Yeah.
We got to drive to set together, he and I, a few days, and that was a good time.
Yeah.
He's just great.
Yeah, I love that. Well, thank you so much. I appreciate it. For more from all of our South by Southwest coverage and more from A-List, visit KXAN.com and follow us on social media.